Hello, in today's video we're going to be talking about the batteries on your cordless equipment and why they might not work. And I'm going to share a story. This morning I was doing some work outside using my leaf blower and it kept shutting down, and so I checked the battery levels and they kept telling me that, well, there's enough juice in there. And to make a long story short, the temperature was really cold, and I had left this thing outside. These things won't work if it's extremely hot or if it's extremely cold. In some cases, it won't even allow you to charge it. And that's something to look into. You know, if you're outside and you're working, you can bring it inside, let it warm up a bit, or if you're in your truck, you can just take it in there and warm it up a bit. And that's why they recommend you have a backup battery to use. And when you're storing these things, you want to charge them to about maybe let's say 40% or whatever, and you want to store them inside or somewhere dry away from moisture or any kind of wetness or anything like that. And you know, that should help it if it's a temperature thing. But if you put it back in and it doesn't work, many times these batteries are not inserted properly. Simple. Check if it's inserted properly, or check if there's any debris or dirt or anything blocking it from making contact. The temperature that these operate at is going to vary depending on the manufacturer, so it's important to read that manual that you get. So that's about it. You know, I hope this information was useful. Until next time.